You are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving a question on perspective projection, 1-point perspective projection. Now the question given is this. All this plotting were done from the question, but this is the diagram that is given for the question. Now the question reads that station point is 10 cm away from picture plane. This is our picture plane. PP is our picture plane. It's 10 cm away this way, but we need to know how far it is away from the nearest face, or is it to the right or to the right or to the left. Now, but the only information we have for now is that it is 10 cm, that is 100 mm away from the picture plane. It comes downward. Now, and the height level, the level of the highs is 50 mm. Level of the height usually comes from the ground level, upward. So that one is 50 mm. Then the distance between the station point and the vanishing point, you can just take any distance of your choice. Just take any distance of your choice. You get the same thing. Now the height level is 50 cm. Now the block shown is kept touching the principal plane. That is, it is on the principal plane. It is not away from it. And all dimensions of the block are as shown in the figure. Station point is located on the right hand side. That is station point here. It is, we know that it's coming downward. It is 100 downward. But again, the new information now is that it is by the right hand side. By the right hand side, how far is it? Let me read further. Station point is located on the right hand side and 60 mm from the nearest face of the block. The nearest face of the block is this, so it is 60 mm. So by the time you measure your 60 mm here, you can now measure this distance downward to be 100 mm. So when you have measured this one, you can leave any distance of your choice between the station point and the vanishing point. When you have done that, you can now measure your high level. In this question, it is given as 50 mm. So those are the parameters that are needed for constructing the perspective projection of the block. It's a building actually. Now, like I usually say, you need to convert this into isometric projection. Since our station point is by the right, then let us take our receding lines to go to the right, like this. This one goes like this, it goes like this, this, it goes this way and that way. So that is what we are looking at now. Then this one can be joined to this place. Yes, so let us label the front with capital letter. Let us start from here: A, B, C, D, E. Then at the back we use small letter. This small letter A, small letter B, small letter C, small letter D, and small letter E. Now when we look at the plan, this is the back, this is the front. So at the back here, this corner, we have small letter B and small letter A. At this corner, we have small letter D and small letter E, small letter D and small letter E. Then at this end, only C, small letter C. Then in the front, at this corner, we have, that is looking from the top now, we have small letter B and capital letter B and capital letter A. That is A, B. Then at this edge, we have C, capital letter C. And here we have D and E, capital letter D, E. Now, the next thing is to now take all your corners, all the corners of your drawing to the station point. Take all the corners of the drawing to the station point. This, 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 and this. So we have done that. Now we now begin to plot. Again, this is the front face and this is the front face. So you take the label here, A, B, C, D, E, all capital letters. So we need to determine all the small letters. Now let us start from E. You take it to the vanishing point. Take it to the vanishing point. Now we want to know the extent where we have the point at which we have our small letter E. So you go to this point. You can see E is here, small letter. It is intersecting the picture plane here. So you draw a vertical line from that point. A vertical line from that point. Take it downward. Good. So this is where we have our small letter E. Now to know the point where small letter D is also on this point. So just take your capital letter D to the vanishing point. Take it to the vanishing point. So we have the face. You can tick in that one. This, and that. So now the next thing is that let us take our C to the vanishing point and locate our small letter C. Now, how do we get our small letter C? Go to small letter C, trace it where it is intersecting the picture plane. You bring it downward, vertically downward, like that. It is intersecting here, so that's where we have our small letter C. As you can see, small letter C is connected to small letter D here. So just connect this one once and for all. Then you have the top two, like that. Now let us take our B to the vanishing point so that I can locate our small letter B. Now small letter B is coming from here. It is intersecting the picture plane here. So you take that one vertically downward. Take it vertically downward. You can see our small letter B is here. Now let us look at where small letter G is intersecting it. So you take small letter G to the vanishing point. Capital letter G to the vanishing point. So capital letter, small letter G is here. So you can now draw this one. This one, because this block is in the front and we assume it's a solid. So that means this one will be hidden because it is within the front elevation. It will be hidden line. Same thing to this one. So now you take note that this is our small letter B. It is connected to small letter C, and our small letter C is here. So you take this one here. It will be done in hidden lines too, because the other part is covering it. This face, the front elevation is covering this, and this up to this point, whereas this face is covering this one. Now you also take note that our small letter E is connected, small letter A is connected to small letter E. Look at it, A to E. So you join that one too with hidden line. Like that. So that is the perspective projection of the building. So if you have enjoyed the video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Also, if you have any comments, don't hesitate to put your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.